All right, guys. Here's the hits for. Shut up, man. The hits for tonight's box break. This is the two megas and two blasters. Here goes the hits so far. So we got Splash Curry, James Harden T minus the Nets. Got a Splash Buddy Hield, Splash Chris Middleton. Got some Kawhi. Winner stays LeBron, Pascal Siakam. Got Jason Tatum. My house. Damian Lillard, my house. Got Luka Doncic, T minus. Air defense, Kawhi. Alright, so this is John Stockton Express Lane. Jamal Murray. Oh, kind of stuck. Alright, we got Donovan Mitchell, Express Lane, and then De'Aaron Fox. Alright, so those were the inserts. We'll do the rookies now. So we got Jamias Ramsey. We got Emmanuel Quickly. Daniel Arturo. Another Jamias Ramsey. Theo Maldon. Sadiq Bey. Another Sadiq Bey. Another Jamias Ramsey. That was a good Kings break tonight. Got Danny. Got Precious. Achiuwa. I don't know. Can't say. He looked like Meek Mills a little bit, though. We got Desmond Bain, off-centered. We got Isaac Okoro. We got another Denny. R.J. Hampton. Xavier Tillman. Grant Riller. Then we got, I don't know, Bukuzevic. OKC. Got Duka Azubuike. Got Devin Dotson. Tyrese Maxey. Another R.J. Hampton. Theo Maldon. Here's the Hyper Pink Prisms. We got Trae Young. We got Kevin Porter Jr., Luka Doncic. We got Ricky Rubio. We got Jusef. I don't know. Nurkic. Brandon Clark. Gordon Hayward. Yeah. Buddy Hield. Got De'Aaron Hunter. Got Ja Morant. Al Horford. Got Malcolm Brogdon. Kyle Lowry, and we got Marvin Bagley the third. So here's the silvers. Like that. And other hits got Dirk, Winter Stay Home silver prism. Got Kawhi Leonard, Winter Stays, silver prism. Got Russell Westbrook, My House. This is a prism also. So this will actually go to Washington because it's a Washington jersey. He got traded after I took this picture. Got Zion Williamson, my house. He looks like a house right now. Got Steph Curry, my house. Got Joel Embiid, T minus. Got Luka Doncic, Express Lane. Got a Chris Middleton Splash Silver. Got a Kyle Lowry Express Lane Silver. Got a Zion Williamson Base Purple. It's not numbered. It's a silver. Got Bogdanovich. Got Duka again. Anthony Davis. Saban Lee. Another Joel Embiid. Got Jarrett Allen purple. This would be a purple. It's not numbered. Got Aaron Smith. Rated rookie silver. And then we got a My House green numbered. And this is 60 out of 149. Anthony Davis for the Lakers. And then we got Pascal Siakam. I think this is what they call a checkerboard, but it's not numbered though. But yeah, so those are the hits from the first box break, guys. Thanks. I will be sending them out.